So children, 21st question. See here, children, 21st question. The diameter of copper sphere is 18 centimeters. The diameter of the copper sphere is 18 centimeters. The diameter of the copper sphere is 18 centimeters. 21st question. And the sphere is melted and drawn into a long wire of uniform cross section. If the length of the wire is 108 meters, if the length of the wire, children, length of the wire is height, children. Height or length of the cylinder is same. The length of the wire is 108 meters. Find its diameter. Find its diameter. So you have to tell Nana. I'll help you.
Sir, the radius
Volume
of a
is
sphere,
equal to
volume of sphere equals to
volume of
radius
cylinder.
of
4 by 3 pi r cube is equal to
d by 2
pi r square h. Pi cancel. 4 by 3 into
4
10
by
Nana.
3
Radius is how much?
4 by 3 into 9 cube 9 cube equals to
Height is
r
108.
square into 108 meters.
108 meters. 108 meters is how many centimeters? 108 centimeters. Now, what happens? 3 3s are 9 children. This will go down. So r square is equal to 4 into 3
4 into 3 into 9 into 9
by
by
108.
10 10800.
So 9 ones are 9 twos are 3 fours are 4 4 cancel.
4
So
cancel.
what is left over?
R equals
R square is
R
equal
equals to 9 centimeter.
3 square. 9 means 3 square. 100 means 10 square children. 9 means 3 square. 100 means 10 square children. Square 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 gone. 3 by 10 means 0.3 centimeters is radius of cylinder. If they ask the diameter is 0.6 children. Diameter is 0.6. Now 22nd question. A hemisphere of 7 centimeters is casted into cone. A hemisphere, children, is that a hemisphere? Okay, a hemisphere of radius 7 centimeters is converted into cone. Is converted into cone of height 49. Of height 49 centimeters. What is the radius? Okay, what is the radius? Okay, children.
Sir, can I say?
8th class, anyone? 8th class students, anyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell Nana.
Volume of hemisphere is equal to volume of cone.
Okay.
Volume of hemisphere is equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h.
Fantastic.
3 3 cancel, pi cancel.
Okay.
2 into 7 into 7 into 7 is equal to r square into 49.
49 cancel.
14 is equal to r square. R square is equal to root 14 centimeters.
Root 14 centimeters. 23rd question. So we also see here a metallic sphere of radius 10.5 centimeter. A metallic radius of sphere of radius 10.5 centimeter is melted and recasted into small cones into each of radius 3.5 centimeters and height is 3 centimeters. Height is 3 centimeters. How many cones can be made? How many cones? Saisha, can you tell? Saisha, main class.
Yes, sir.
Tell.
Volume of sphere is equal to n into volume of cone.
Okay.
4 by 3 pi r cube is equal to n into 1 by 3 pi r square h. Pi 3 cancel, pi cancel. 4 into 10.5 into 10.5 into 10.5 is equals to n into 3.5 into 3.5 into 3.
3.5 3.5 3
3 cancel.
So n is equal to
N is equal to 4 3
126 cones can be made. Very good. 126 cones can be made. Okay, 24th question. 24th question. A cone, hemisphere, and cylinder. A cone, hemisphere, and cylinder. A cone, hemisphere, and cylinder are having equal bases and equal heights. Equal bases they have and equal heights they have. Here, radius and height will be equal to for hemisphere. What is the ratio of their volumes? What is the ratio of their volumes? Who will
Sir, can I say?
Yeah.
Sir, can I?
Yes, sir. Sir, volume of cone is equal to volume of hemisphere is to volume of cylinder, sir.
Okay,
volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h, sir. Volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h.
To cancel 3, what we should do?
Into 3 by 3, sir, for cylinder.
Multiply D and divide with 3. To cancel 3, multiply
sir.
and divide with 3. To cancel 3, multiply and divide with 3. 3,
3 cancel, pi cancel.
5 cancel.
R square and R
R square
cancel.
and
Yes, sir.
this is cancel.
Yes,
What
sir.
is left over? 1 H is there.
H is to
2
R
R
is
equal
to R
to
is
H.
equal to H.
In hemisphere,
For hemisphere, R is equal to H, sir.
so
H cancel. 1 is to 2 is to
this
1.
3 is there.
1
This
is
3 is there.
yes, sir. 3. 1 is to 2 is to 3.
1
Are
is to 2
the
is to
rate? Are the ratios
volumes,
of their
ratio of their
volumes?
volumes, ratio of their volumes. So children, to cancel 3 down, I multiplied and divided with 3. To cancel 3 down, I multiplied and divided with 3. Then I cancel. R square also cancel. In hemisphere, radius and height are equal. In hemisphere, radius and height are equal. So radius and height say cancelled. So I got 1 is to 2 is to 3. Suppose if it is a sphere, then we have to take height as 2 r. You should be very careful children, while doing this. That's very important. Next. I hope everyone are copying children. Next. Kiriti Sangamitra school. Are you there? A hollow sphere of internal and external radius are 4 and 8. Hollow sphere of internal and external radius are 4 and 8 centimeters in their children. Okay. Are melted and made into a cone of diameter 8. Are melted and made into cone of diameter 8. Find the height. This is the question.
So can I?
Wait, I'll ask 10 class students. Sweta, are you there? Sweta? Sweta? 10th class Sweta? Volume of?
Can I tell?
Tell them. Volume of hollow sphere is equal to?
Volume of cone
Okay.
4 by 3 pi r cube is big R cube minus small r cube is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h.
Okay.
By 3 and pi cancel.
Okay. 4 into big
4
is how much?
R cube 8 cube.
4 cube minus 2 cube. 4 cube minus 2 cube. This is diameter. This
Okay,
is
sir.
4. Okay. Is equal to 4
into 4 into h.
1 4 cancel.
So 8 or 64 minus 8 is equal to 4 into h. 56 by 4 is equal to h.
14 centimeters is the
Height of the cone.
height of the cone. 14 centimeters is the height of the cone. Next question.
Sir, 8 is also diameter, so 4 we should take.
Yes, sir. 8 is the diameter. We have to take radius as 4, no, sir?
I already took it 4.
I took 4 only now. See? I took 4.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. 26th question. 26th
हाँ
question.
बोले वो नाम रख
Hey, here, mute your audio, Neeraj.
ले
Sir, that's not me, sir.
Yes, sir.
Some fellow who is about to nice putting and enjoying.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, children. Next. 26th question. The children, the largest sphere is carved out of a cube. Children, there is a cube of 10.5 centimeters. There is a cube of 10.5 centimeters. There is a cube of 10.5 centimeters is there, children. So, what will be the volume of largest sphere which we can get from this? What is the largest sphere which we can get from this? So, largest sphere which we
Sir,
can
we
get
can
from
get
this.
it like length, sir. Radius is length.
Diameter is length. Diameter
Yes, sir. Diameter is
10.5.
length.
So radius is 10.5.
Radius is 10.5 by 2.
So volume of sphere is how much?
Volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube, sir.
4 by 3. Can anyone please get calculator?
4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 10.5 by 2 into 10.5 by 2 into 10.5 by 2.
10.5 by 2.
Yes, sir.
7.
7
1 7
5, sir.
3 0.5.
3 0.5, sir.
4 and 4 cancel.
Yes, sir. 2 11s are.
11
11 into 5.5 into 10.5 square.
So 5.5 to 10.5 to 10.5. Can anyone help me? How much is the volume of the largest sphere?
606.375.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Shiva, next. 8th class, Raghuram, are you there? 27.
Yes, sir.
Find the weight of hollow sphere. Find the weight of hollow sphere. Find the weight of hollow sphere of metal having internal and external diameters of 20 and 22. This is 20. Next is 22. Internal diameters 20 and 22. Hollow sphere. If 1 mm is 21 grams. If 1 mm is 21 grams. What is the weight? First, you tell me how to find volume of hollow sphere.
Sir, volume of hollow sphere is equals to 4 by 3 pi r pi capital R cube minus small r cube.
Fantastic.
4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 11 cube minus 10 cube.
Fantastic.
4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 1331 minus 1000.
Okay.
4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 331.
This is meter cube. This is meter cube. This is 1 second. 1 meter cube. 1 second. What is this question number? We on non-literal say 1 meter cube is this is centimeter. These are centimeter cube. How to convert cc to meter cube, madam? cc to meter.
Sir, into 1000.
No, by 1000.
By 1000.
No, not by 1000. By cc to meter, centimeters to meters is by 100. Centimeter cube means 100.
100.
This is
100.
meter cube.
Yes, sir.
Now, if I want weight, 1 meter cube is 21 grams. This many meter cube, how many grams is? Into
Into
21.
21.
7 3s are 3 3 gone.
Gone.
Can anyone help me? 88 into 331, how much? Anyone? 331 into 81? 88, 331.
29128, sir.
29128 by 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 0.029128 grams. How to convert grams to kgs?
By 1000.
No need. We'll keep like this only. Still it will become less value. So this is the weight channel. Okay. So next, Vaishnavi is there. Vaishnavi?
Yes, sir.
Come on, Mama. Your brother told me you tell. 28th question. 28th question is there like this. A solid sphere of radius r is melted. Solid sphere of radius r is melted and it is recasted into a hollow cylinder of uniform. If the external radius of the base of the cylinder is 4, cylinder is there now. External radius is there like this. External radius is this one. External radius is 4 centimeters. Its height is 24. Its height is 24 centimeters. And thickness is 2 centimeters. Thickness is this 2 centimeters. Find the value of this R. Find the value of this R. This sphere is converted into hollow cylinder. Tell me, Nana,
Volume of sphere equals to volume of hollow cylinder.
Fantastic. Very good.
4 by 3 pi r cube equals to pi r square. Pi r.
Pi h square minus
Okay.
Okay.
Pi cancel. 4 by 3 into r cube equals to 24 into 4 square, sir.
4 square minus thickness is 2. 2 square.
2 square. Okay.
4 minus 2. 4 minus 2
Okay,
is
sir.
internal radius 2. Yeah, come on.
4 by 3 r.
Okay. This will also go r cube is equal to 18 into
18 into 12. R cube equals to 18 into 12.
18 into 12. So r cube is equal to 18 means what? 9 into.
Sir, 216, sir.
So 216.
216.
This whose cube, children? Whose cube is 216?
6, sir.
Okay. So radius, internal radius is of radius of sphere is how much?
6 centimeters.
Very good. Brothers and sisters, very nice. Next, 23rd question. Okay. Samhita is there. Samhita. Lattice spheres of
Yes, sir.
No, tell. A cylindrical sphere is there. In this water is there. In this sphere is dropped of 6 centimeters diameter. 6 centimeters. Some portion of that will be definitely will go upward. So diameter of the beaker is 18 centimeters. So how much water has level gone upward? Can you help me?
The volume of sphere is equal to volume of raised water, sir.
Raised water. Fantastic.
4 by 3 pi r cube is equal to pi r square h.
Fantastic. Same.
Pi cancel. 4 by 3 into 6 into 6 into 6. I mean 3 into 3 into 3. 9 into 9 into h. 9 cancel. 4 by 9 is equal to h.
4 by 9 centimeters is raising water.
Raising height of the raised water.
Lalitya, are you there? Lalitya, the height of solid cylinder is 15 centimeters. Lalitya, the height of cylinder is 15 centimeters and diameter is 7 centimeters. And diameter is 7 centimeters. Two equal conical holes, each of radius 3 centimeters height, are cut off for. Children, see like this, it is there. Children, this is a cylinder. Okay, so in this cylinder, what they did, children, height is 15 centimeters and diameter is 7 centimeters. Diameter is 7 centimeters. Two equal conical holes are made, children. In this way, one conical hole like this, one conical hole like this, they are made, children. Two equal conical holes are made. Each of radius 3 centimeters. Here, this is also 3 centimeters, and height each one is 4 centimeters. Okay. So, question is, what is the volume of remaining solid? Volume. Who will tell the class?
Sir, can I say?
Cylinder minus 2.
Sir, I'll say, sir.
Sir, can I say, sir?
Wait, Manojna will say. Volume of remaining solid. Manojna, tell na. Manojna. Yeah, who will tell? Anyone else?
Sir, can I say?
Shall I tell?
Sir, can I?
Sir, can
So shall I?
Pranati, you tell Pranati, volume of remaining solid.
Volume of remaining solid is equal to volume of cylinder minus
Volume of cylinder
minus volume of two cones.
fantastic. Volume of two cones. Volume of cylinder.
Pi r square h minus 1 by 3 pi 2 into 1 by 3 pi r square h.
Okay.
I
common will take.
I common.
Okay, we will first let us substitute, then we will see if ever it is required. Okay.
22 by
No, we will take 22 by 7 into radius is how much?
7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 15 minus 2 into 1 by 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 3 into 3 into 4.
What do you say? Shall we take common or not? 22 by 7.
We will.
We'll cancel 7 7
But here it will be cancelled. Here it cannot be cancelled.
We'll take common, sir.
Okay, then we take common.
22 by 7 into